is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. You might have seen this crop top quite often as it's a very famous style and it's currently very trendy and it's also very easy to make. So without any further ado, let's start making it. For fabric, here I'm working with this very pretty golden rose colored satin fabric. It's very pretty, and if you also want to make it more fancy, go for some shinier fabrics, and if you want to make it look classic, you can go for white or black color, and for that use a linen blend cotton fabric. First step is to cut out a strip of fabric. The dimensions are mentioned on the screen. When we will fold our fabric widthwise, so that's gonna become the length of our crop top, that is 10 inches. Now we will be folding our fabric widthwise and we'll sew straight all along the edges, leaving a little opening to turn our strip of fabric to the right side. Once you are done with sewing all along the edges through that small opening, turn that strip to the right side. Now fold the sides, both the sides of our strip of fabric to make casing for our straps or cord. As you can see, I have made casing by folding and sewing straight along the edges. So as you can see, it's a little opening, or we can say a little casing for our cord. Here I'm using this cord. You can also prepare 10 straps out of the same fabric, but here I think that it's gonna work. It can save me a little time and a little of my effort, so why not? So here I have used this cord. Now I'll slip that cord to that opening in a way as shown. Here we go, our crop top is complete. Hey, wait, we are preparing a matching hair accessory to match our crop top. For that, take a strip of fabric, the dimensions are mentioned on the screen, fold it and sew straight along the edges, leaving a small opening to turn that strip to the right side, and after that you will be turning it to the right side, and here we go, we got a small matching ribbon. And here we go, we got a small matching ribbon for our crop top. This is it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Kisses until next time. Bye bye, sweet angels. And if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and if you recreate this crop top, also let me know in the comment section and DM me on Instagram. I will love to see your work. Okay, bye bye, take care until